What is up? It's Venom Boys Garage, and we are back with another prime time video with the C50 Hulk. Engine bay, beautiful, beautiful. Oh yeah. And the tear down is going about as well as expected. I've made a mess, as usual. But we're getting there. We're getting everything tore down. We don't need all that crap. Oh yeah. We're getting there. I got the engine soaking on some degreaser. We're gonna let that sit for a few minutes. I'm gonna wire brush what I can and start pulling some more stuff off. So keeping with the Hulk theme, I figured a green and purple intake would look awesome. I got free reins on this truck. Anything I want to do to it that I think it will look cool. Dealing with the Hulk, so I'm gonna Hulk it out. All right, we got the engine bay just about back together like we want it. We got the purple and the green and the black to match the Hulk. But we will continue with this in the morning, and I'll finish out this video, and we'll have it in there sometime or another. What's up, guys? It's Sunday, and it is warm, and I have put the ends on. Oh yeah. New hoses, all the wires been redirected. New spark plug wires, new breakers, new valve cover gaskets, new valve covers, new carburetor, intake redone. Oh yeah. Let's see how she fires up. Whew, you know, a lot of sweating. Oh, smash. Man, this thing running like a three-legged dog. She's on point now. All right. Don't see no leaks. I bet she is good. Now we'll get this body knocked out next weekend, and she is ready. Y'all may have noticed the plywood sitting around and all them lights back there. We are getting ready to jump on the paint booth. I got a couple more things I need to get before I jump on it. But we got a new fan, exhaust fan in. We got new windows. We got the plywood. I gotta get the 2x4s to build a little paint mixing area. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do on that. So I can have me a little paint booth. All right, guys, that is the Hulk. Hulkamania is gonna run wild. Oh, that's the wrong Hulk. Never mind. But anyhow, guys, that's the engine bay. The next video will probably be roughing it out and painting it. But I'll say she come out good. We got the black, we got the green and purple in there for the Hulk. Yes, yes, wonderful. Y'all guys, subscribe to this video. Check out my shorts. Check me out on Facebook, Venom Boys Garage. Send me friend requests. Like I said, I'll shoot shit with you.
Yeah, this is me talking a little faster than the record button.
I can keep my nose over there when I'm here, and I can paint over there. Yep. All right, guys. Them Boys Garage. Like, share, follow, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, please. I need some more subscribers. Or I'm going to put the hook on you. All right, guys.